Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the voice speed on the DeepL application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings button down below, which is the last option. Then scroll down to the voice speed section and tap on it. You are going to find 4 options and tap on the relevant one. As you can see, the default option is standard, but feel free to change to any of these
This
other
is what the fastest speed sounds like.
Here you can hear how it sounds.
This is what the slow speed sounds like. This is what the fastest speed sounds like.
So according to this, select the one that suits your preferences the most. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.